Vanakkam and Namaste. In this video, I'm going to explain a compact 2 BHK house plan designed as per Vastu for the south face road and east facing house on 30 by 33. The plot area is 960 square feet and the build-up area is 663 square feet. So this is suitable for small plots and budget construction. I will walk you through each room one by one on the screen and share important Vastu tips for door position, room locations, toilet, and puja room, so you can avoid common mistakes in your home design. First, let me explain the orientation. Here, the road is on the south side. Road is in the south side, and the main facing of the house is towards the east side. East facing houses are considered very good in Vastu because they receive more sunlight and positive energy. On the screen, you can see the north direction marked on the top right of the compass. So right now, my cursor is on the east side. This is the front side of the house, and the west side is on the left. Remember, in Vastu, we mainly care about where we place the main door. Master bedroom, kitchen, toilets, and puja room with respect to these directions. Now let us start from the entrance. On the east side, we have 9 feet 9 inch by 9 feet 9 inch portico. This is like a small sit-out or parking area in front. For east facing house, having an open or semi open in the front is very good because it allows sunlight and fresh air into the house. The main bedroom is placed slightly towards the northeast side of the east wall, which is considered very auspicious door for the entrance. Try to keep the main door in the northeast or exact east rather than southeast corner to attract more positive energy, good health, and financial growth. Also, make sure the main door opens in inwards in a clockwise direction and keep this area well lit and clutter free. From the portico, we enter the 11 by 14 feet living room. You can see it is placed towards the center of the east of the house, which is ideal because it becomes a welcoming and bright space. In Vastu, it is recommended to keep heavy furniture like sofa towards the west or south wall and leave the northeast corner as light and open as possible. So you can place your TV unit on the south wall and keep the north side or east side for more open. This living room also connect the passage on the east and the bedroom and kitchen on the west side. Good clear circulation without sharp corners and the dark passage. It is important for smooth flow of energy. So this kind of simple layout works well for Vastu. Now let us move to the kitchen. The kitchen in this plan is 6 by 7 feet 3 inches and is placed towards the southeast zone of the house. In Vastu, the southeast is ruled by the fire element and it is best and most recommended location for the kitchen. When you design your kitchen as per Vastu, try to place the gas stove on the east wall so that a person who is cooking faces east, and the sink or water source should be ideally be in the northeast or north side of the kitchen to balance fire and water elements. You can keep heavier storage like fridge on southwest or west side inside the kitchen to maintain stability. Uh, Next, we will see the bedrooms. This is a 2 BHK with the master bedroom and a kids bedroom. The master bedroom is 10 by 10, 10 by 10 feet 9 inches and is located in the southwest part of the house. According to Vastu, the southwest is the ideal zone for the master bedroom because it gives stability, control, and long-term success for the head of the family. In this bedroom, you can place the bed so the head is towards the south or west, and the person sleeps with the feet towards north or east. Avoid keeping the bed exactly in the center of the room or under the heavy beam. Wardrobes can be placed along the south or west walls. And if you want a small study table, it is better on the east or north side. So the person faces east or north while studying is good. Now comes to the kids bedroom on the northwest side of northwest side with a size of 10 feet by 8 feet 6 inches. Northwest is generally good for children and guests because it encourages movement and growth. Here also try to keep the bed with head towards the south or east. Studying table can be placed so that child faces east or north while studying. Avoid heavy storage in the northeast corner of the room. Keep the area light to promote concentration and good health. Now let us look at the toilets and staircase. There are two toilets in this plan. One attached near the toilet near the kids bedroom marked as C toilet. That is common toilet. 4 by 4 feet 6 inches. And one for master bedroom. Another toilet is like attached toilet with for master bedroom is under the staircase. 6 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. In Vastu, toilets are sensitive area because they can create negative energy if placed wrongly. It is generally recommended to place toilet in the west, northwest, or southeast zones and avoid the northeast and center of the house. In this plan, the toilets are kept towards the west central zone, away from the northeast and away from the main entrance. This is a practical and acceptable solution for a compact plan. Uh, Inside the toilet, try to keep WC on west. Try to keep the WC on the facing north or south. Avoid facing east or west. Also make sure there is a proper ventilation and exhaust fan to remove a negative energy. The staircase is placed near the central west side of the plan. For internal staircase, southwest or southwest side are preferable. Try to avoid staircases in the northeast corner. Here the location is fine for small house and the steps should be preferably go in a clockwise direction while going up. One special feature for this plan is the dedicated puja room. You can see the puja room of the size of 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches, placed close to the northeast zone of the house with a separate guard aerial platform. Northeast is considered the most scared and sacred and peaceful direction in Vastu. And this where we ideally located the puja room, meditation area, or spiritual activity. Inside the puja room, place the ideals so the faces face east or north while praying. Keep this area always clean, well ventilated, and slightly raised if possible. Avoid placing toilets or kitchen directly above or below the puja room in multi-story designs. Now, if you look at the outside area on the east side passage, we have a septic tank marked and towards the northeast corner near the boundary. There is a reserved underground water tank, borewell, and rainwater harvesting. So, in northeast side. In Vastu, northeast is the best location for water sources like borewell, sump, and water underground tank, because this direction represents water element and brings prosperity when activated properly. So keeping the sump and rainwater harvesting pit here is very good point in this plan. For septic tank, northwest of north or southeast of east is preferable. In this plan, we kept in southeast of east, but try to keep some separation between septic tank and the exact northeast corner. Okay. Let me quickly summarize the main Vastu points in this 2 BHK plan. East facing main door placed towards the northeast side, which is very auspicious. Master bedroom in the southwest zone are for stability and authority. Kitchen in the southwest ideal fire corner. Uh, Puja room and water tank near the northeast, underground water tank near the northeast and the most sacred and the special direction. Toilets keep away from the northeast and center of the house. Good open space in front and a clear passage on east side for light and ventilation. If you are planning to build as a similar plot size, you can use this plan as a reference and adjust room sizes as per your requirement. But try to maintain these Vastu principles. A properly planned Vastu compliant house not only feels comfortable but also support health and peace of mind and financial growth for the family. If you found this explanation useful, please like this video and share it with your friends and relatives who are planning to build a house. For more house plans with the detailed Vastu guidance, you can visit my website and mobile apps where you will find 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and duplex designs with structural details. You also command your plot size and facing in the comment section, and I will try to make a customized plan or a separate video for that. My website name is houseplansdaily.com and www.houseplans.world. My apps like House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan Nest, and Design Nest available in Play Store. Check out and install the app. And thank you for watching.